Hello from Fort Worth, Texas. We wanted to talk about drink packages on cruise ships today.
Let's have a drink.
Okay, let's have some drink. What is the first thing that we need to know about drink packages?
Well, the cost is the bottom line.
Okay, so how much does it typically cost?
$14 for a drink. And you're looking for a 7-night cruise, maybe $700 to $800 a piece. And so the question is, can you drink 15, 14 drinks a day to justify the drink package?
Yeah, and we put that to the test one time in Alaska.
and that was hard to do because we had 5 days of ports. So we're off the ship for those 5 days. And so when you come back, you have the evening, you're probably not drinking 15 drinks in one evening. If you are, you're not waking up the next morning. So
would you say that the port days, you're not using all the drinks that you need to be using to get caught?
Well, yeah, that's exactly what I'm saying. It's really hard to justify a drink package if you're off the ship.
So we paid about $1,600 for the Alaskan cruise for the drink package.
Right, and we didn't drink half the drink. It would be better off to just go ahead and buy your drinks rather than have the drink package.
So how would you maximize your drink package if you were paying $1,600 on top of your cruise for the ultimate drink package? And what all does that include, the drink package?
Well, the drink package includes all your alcoholic beverages, I think up to $14 or $15 a drink. Wine, I think at $10 per glass, liquor, etc. Your coffee, your soft drinks, orange juices, etc. All those are covered in your drink package. And if you're trying to make your number of drinks a day, at least make a dent on it, I would start off the morning with a specialty coffee from the
is it
Promenade Cafe?
Promenade Cafe.
And you can get your specialty coffees there, and that would be covered. Now that's different than a Starbucks. If you go to a Starbucks kiosk, then those are not covered. That's not included in your drink package. So I would get a specialty coffee every day, maybe a specialty coffee every night at dinner.
And probably when you get your coffee, you should get a bottle of water as well.
Right. Every time you get a drink, get a bottle of water. You can take that with you around the ship or go straight to your room and do that. We used to, before we went to bed at night, we'd go by the bar on the way in, grab a couple of waters. At least we'll have them in our cooler in our room. So that's always a good thing to do.
Water on the ship is free. If you take your own water bottle, like a Yeti cup, you can refill and have ice and water for free on the ship.
Right.
But if you get a bottle of water, they'll charge you, or it's included in the drink package.
That's true. Another thing is make your drink package count. So let's go get a bourbon and Coke. And so we'll get a bourbon and Coke. And if you don't ask for a certain liquor, they're going to give you a well drink. Hey, I want a bourbon and Coke. Maker's Mark.
Maximize top shelf alcohol.
Yeah, maximize top shelf alcohol.
With your drinks. That will help maximize your drink package.
And if you want a margarita, let's do it with Patron. At least your alcohol is the premium alcohol.
They will make it if you request.
Right, and they do have Buffalo Trace. Buffalo Trace is hard to get since it's an allocated liquor, but they have it on ship. So if any of your drinks, Old Fashioned has a bourbon, ask for the Buffalo Trace.
So my question is for you, do you think the drink package is worth it?
You would have to drink a lot of drinks to justify it.
Because when you're off on port days, you're not getting your drinks in.
No, you're not. And so
so they're making their money that day because you're doing your drinking off the ship.
Right, or not drinking at all when you're in the water.
Yeah, so when you get back, are you going to drink your 8 drinks at night? Usually you're exhausted by the time you come in from port.
Right. I will not. We won't buy the drink package.
They
anymore.
they offer like happy hour drinks.
Yeah,
So
from 4 to 6
yeah,
every day.
you may get an $8 margarita.
$8 margarita. So yeah,
They also have drink specials every day. So we decided after our Alaska cruise that we weren't going to purchase the drink package anymore because
we couldn't justify it. We don't drink enough to cover the cost. So
yeah, it thinks it's a great deal because you think, oh, I can get unlimited drinks whenever I want. Just go up and order my drink.
Yeah, just start counting the number of drinks you have on port days and the number of drinks you have while you're on the ship. And so run the math and it will tell you what you need to do.
Okay, so we ran the math after our Alaska cruise, and how was it?
They made a lot of money off of it.
So I think we paid $1,600 around for the drink package. And then how much did we use? We didn't even use half of that amount.
Oh no.
And we were trying to use the drink package.
Right.
So from now on, we don't buy the drink package. We just decided we would just buy a drink when we wanted to buy a drink.
Yep. And not worry about it. And
yeah.
If you want to keep track of it, you'll have it on your statement at the end of the cruise and say, okay, here's how much the drink package would have been. Here's how much we used. Did we make a wise decision or not?
Yeah, yeah. What would you tell people that if they're considering the drink package, what advice would you give to people?
There's a hidden cost to your drink package because when you buy the drink package, it'll show you the price, but it'll also charge you 18% gratuity on top of that. So beware of that. Just go into it knowing that your gratuities are, increased. The drink package is increased for that gratuity. So
yeah,
that's even raises your cost up at more.
Yeah. So just for us, we're not going to buy the drink package anymore. We're just going to purchase the drinks, and sometimes we even use our credits that we have, the ship credits from when we purchase the cruise. We'll use our credits.
And after this, we are chasing the diamond. So now we will have 4 drinks a piece every day. And that's plenty for us.
Yeah. Once you get a certain level with Royal Caribbean, the diamond level, they give you 4 drinks per day per person.
Right.
So we'll just utilize that. And then also, if you're in a suite, you get, happy hour cocktails.
Yeah, on some of the ships, they have a suite lounge. And so if you're in a suite, you'll be able to utilize that suite lounge. And they'll have hors d'oeuvres during the day. And also from 4 to 7, 4 to 6, they'll have happy hour. All your drinks are free. And so you're getting free drinks just for staying in a suite. So that'll help offset that need for getting a drink package.
Yeah. So our question for you is, would you buy the drink package, or have you purchased the drink package and were you able to utilize it and use all the drinks that you needed to offset the cost? So we decided it wasn't for us, but
could be for you.
Yeah, we'd like to know. So thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.
Keep cruising.
Bye.